What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're actually filming the intro after we're all done fishing, since we got out there super early this morning and it was a little too dark to film, so we're filming the intro right now. All I gotta say is you guys better watch the whole video because this is gonna be a pretty good episode. So I'm gonna leave it at that and we're gonna pick right up when we're at the platform, so I'll see you there. There we go, fish on. Let's hope so. It's a little smaller one, but it's still a good size.
Oh yeah, not bad.
Wow, look at that rod bend.
Oh, he's not bad at all,
Uh-oh. Gotta stop him before he gets in the hole. Oh yeah, look at that rod bend, man. There we go, nice. Thank you, man. We got him right before he got in the hole. Oh yeah, that's a decent one. Check that one out, right there. Nice female. Beauty. Let's let her go. First one of the day, about 30 minutes in.
What do you got, Al?
Sweet fish, man. Let's go get some more now. Oh, snap. Here, you can loosen it just a little bit. I got it. You're all right. Oh, on the first beat, huh? There we go. Man, this one was like 10 minutes right after mine. Very nice. Oh yeah, you got him on the top feed too. Look at that.
Sorry, no,
Let's get you guys a better look at him.
Hold on, man.
All right, guys, about 10 minutes right after my catch, my dad got this nice chroma right here.
Here we go, guys. I'm gonna get him back in.
Yep, that's a nice one right there. Go through the grates. Off he goes.
Off he goes, man.
Nice.
Good job, Noah. Let's go.
Nice
Look
one.
on that one, bud.
All right, guys, that last one my dad just caught. I don't know if you can see it, but got this double bead rigger right here. The first bead has about 2 foot of leader to the 8mm bead to a hook, and then on this hook I got tied a 6mm bead. Just like the split shot, you always want to do the bigger bead up here and the lower bead right at the bottom. And the lower bead leader is about 12 inches, just a little size 12 hook. So that's all we're using today, just switching up our colors every now and then. So let's see if we could hit any more. This one hit right when the current switched up. Yeah, right when the current started flowing this way, that's when this one hit. He ran out there. Oh, he's off. Dang. Spit the hook, man. Let's get back out there. Oh yeah, that was a close one. Looks like that one, the bead was down here, so this time I'm gonna have to move it farther up so the bead doesn't interfere with the hook. All right, let's do a couple backup drifts right here. Just dropping it in and letting it float all the way down there. My fish hit, the last one hit right about there. Bobber went straight under. Yeah, that was a good one.
I was watching it the whole way.
Yeah, I was only floating like 8 feet too. Now we need to get a redemption fish, so we'll get back to you if you catch any more. Huh? That's all right, I got it. Yeah, thanks though. Oh, it's a big one. Big dark one. Oh, that's a giant. That's a big one. Let me get on this side of you.
Little feet again, though.
Nice.
Right at the end of the drift again. Nice fishing. You guys fishing 8 mil? Ask him. We just have to.
Yeah.
Oh, you're fishing 8 mils? Yeah, we might be.
Yeah. 8.
I don't want.
All right, guys. Nice brute right here.
Get him back.
Yep, send him off. We're good.
Oh, you got finished that you, sir?
There he goes. Nice one. Sweet fish. That's a giant right
Nice
there.
one. 2 for 1. All right, 2 for 2?
2 for 2.
Let's get on the board,
And
Dick.
I'm 1 for 2. So.
Got a guy right behind us. Put on too.
Oh, yeah.
Nice one.
Fish on, guys. Yep.
Stole my grip.
Yeah.
Way out there.
Yeah. All right. There we go. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh, fish off. Dang. Got me tangled up. I think it was on the marabou too, man. Dang, 1 for 3 now. Gotta get back out there. All right, guys, we fished the platform for about, let's see, what time is it? We got there at 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We fished there for about 4 hours. I went 1 for 3, caught 1 steelhead. He went 2 for 3. 2 for 3. And then the bite died down quite a bit, so I think we're gonna go try the shore somewhere and see if we could hit anything different, maybe a different species or just whatever fish we can catch, I guess.
Nice
So
one.
see you guys at the shore. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Freaking big one too. You can already tell this is probably going to be a laker just by the way it's fighting. Oh, snap.
You gotta be a little more top of your game here because there's no shore to go on.
Yeah, man, there's no shore here. We gotta be careful. Whoa. Only working with 8-pound test right here. Gotta keep the pressure on him. Coming up, coming up. Oh!
Stay right here, I'm going underneath you.
Here, stay behind me, man. Stay
Yeah.
behind me.
You make it over that next rock, gotta be careful, all my gears are in there. On your top.
Gonna have to chase him down. Oh, he's off. Dang, guys.
Still a big lake.
Crazy fight. That had to be a big laker, but it's super tough with this current right here. But there's got to be more where that came from. So let's get back out there. It was a good fight, though. Difficult to land in this spot. So yeah, I got frayed up pretty good on them rocks. Probably gonna have to retie too. So let's get back out there. Oh God, did you just see that? There's a freaking laker that jumped right there. I don't know if you've seen that on camera, but I just retied, put on some, not 8-pound, but 10-pound test now because the currents over here is real strong. So I'm just throwing it out right, not too far because it's It's a little stained today, so the fish are probably closer to the shore, just like the one I just jumped. And I was letting it sink all the way to the bottom and jigging it in. You know, when I just had on that hit, I thought it was a snag at first because I set the hook and it didn't move. And I held it up for a second like this, and then boom, it started peeling drag. It's one of them days I can't keep the hook. Didn't break off on any, but the two at the platform spit the hook, and this one spit the hook too, so at least I was able to get one. But we're gonna keep fishing and try to catch some more. Come on, guys. Finally, let's land this one. This is gonna... No, I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not even gonna say anything. Not even gonna say anything. Oh no, please don't go that way. Come on, please don't do it, man. Don't do it. There's one giant one that just jumped out there. Come on, don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me, man. Don't do it to me. Where are you going over there, man? He's in front of me. Oh yeah. Come on, don't do it to me. Oh. I'm not saying anything, huh? I'm not saying anything. What are you doing on the other side of me? Oh, come on. Come on.
Get him right into the head of some of the coffee short.
Keeping my mouth shut still. Come on now. Get it down, get it down. Oh my god. What a mess, man.
You got it? That's rock. We're gonna have to tail grab.
I got him, I got him.
Let him go, dude.
Yes, finally got one. Let me hold him up for you guys. Alright guys, I wasn't gonna say anything because if I lost this one, I don't know what I would have done. This is number 2 of 8 right
yes,
here.
this has been crazy down in this spot.
Ooh, look at that. Giant laker.
Every time I try to run here.
Yep. Got him. Look at him. Alright guys, I don't know for you what you caught what I was saying right there before the GoPro got dunked under the water, but
Sorry.
I was saying that was number 2 for 8 right there. Absolutely crazy, man, but hey, at least I'm landing some fish. It's not every day you could land them all, so at least we got 2 and a couple nice fights that were fun, so I'm all happy. Hopefully we get some more, because in this spot right here, that was like maybe the 3rd one I hooked in this spot, and man, they're just like smashing my jig right now, so I think I'm just going to continue doing that until it stops working and then maybe change up. So happy I got that steelhead today, a laker, and maybe if we get another species right now, we can hit the trifecta of the river. So let's see what else we can do. Let's get back out there. Another fish on, guys. Nice laker, hit right when I was reeling it in too. Come on now. Whoa, doggy. Whoa, doggy. Settle down, Larry. Settle down. Man, these lakers are aggressive. Good luck catching a steelhead with all these in here, even though we're trying. Oh yeah. Let's get my netter here with no net because it broke with the last laker we caught. Whoa. Also, this one's not that orange, it's like white almost on the bottom. Not a good place to be standing if it breaks off. Or spits the hook.
Put my head down. Oh, dude, he's kind of big.
Kind of big.
See, you can land him a little bit.
Get that tail. Get the tail. No, not the body. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Bro, here we go. Here he goes.
Got him.
Nice. Yeah, I got him.
Wow.
I got him. Here.
We'll take your paw.
Holy smokes,
Smoke
guys.
is right.
All right, guys. Another nice laker right there. Giant. This maybe like close to 8-pounder, 8-9. Nice fight too. Pulling into the current. Oh man, these lakers have so much power. It's insane. Gotta shout out my boy Scott. I was down at the Power Authority and posted a picture of him catching all the lakers down here. He said he had double-digit days, so I was like, hey, let's leave the Power Authority, check out the shore, and it ended up paying off. So thanks, Scott, if you're seeing this. So let's get back out there.
Good job, Noah.
All right, guys, that was a pretty good day on the river today. Started off at the Power Authority, caught one, missed two. He caught two and missed one, all steelhead. So that was pretty nice, and the bite died down over there. So he said, hey, why not? Let's go over to the shore, and lo and behold, it worked out for us pretty good. So I caught two nice lakers and missed a bunch, and then I think you maybe hooked on one or two, right?
Yeah, I hooked on it one, but I couldn't hold it, man. I couldn't hold it.
Yep. So all in all, pretty good day out here. Hopefully we'll get out sometime again soon while the fish aren't thick. And yeah, that's about it. So see you guys in the next episode.